Warning: the content in the following program is direct, matter of fact, and is based on truth. What these so-called leaders have mastered is the art of talking an issue to death. The issue remains, but the mastery of discussing the issue is actually what a politician does best. That's what they master, not resolving the issue. Simple issues. You deny the truth and you direct focus on the wrong components of an issue. The issue of homelessness, you have created agency after agency, department, branches, councils, community development agencies, nonprofits, and yet the problem still exists. In fact, worse than what it was before. You're taking the money and you are misappropriating the money that you collect from the citizens. If this country was founded on this almighty document that states liberty, freedom, prosperity, peace, and they have not fulfilled that contract, they have not fulfilled that promise to the people, then it is time to start questioning the managers and the system, the operation of the system. They have had more than enough time to prove their abilities. There is a track record of this country, of the states. In any other institution, they would be fired and the system would be overhauled. The organization would be overhauled. There is a track record of how they've done as administrators and leaders of the world. They have mismanaged, they have misappropriated, they have misused and abused their positions of authority. So we have to start seeing it for what it is. It appears larger than it really is. It is a business in a different costume, but it is the same exact principle.